Next, other examples, find the value of the unknown in the following logarithmic equation. So dito naman, pwede natin i-apply yung iba't ibang strategy or paraan para ma-solve ang logarithmic equation. So pwede na siyang halo-halo sa isang examples, pwede rin magkakaiba ng order. So for example, we have the logarithm of base 4 of 2x is equals to the logarithm of base 4 of 10. So, pwede natin gamitin yung one-to-one property ng logarithmic equation na pagparehas ang logarithm sa magkabilang side ng equation at parehas ng base, pwede natin i-disregard yung logarithm, then equate natin yung number na involved. So, we have 2x is equals to 10. Then, solve for the value of x. So, x lang ang kailangan natin. So, divide both sides by 2. Therefore, 10 divided by 2 is 5. X is equals to 5. Next, example number 2, logarithm of base 3 of x minus 1 is equals to 2. So, ang pwede naman natin gamitin dito is yung conversion of form dahil wala namang logarithm sa kanan, nasa kaliwa lang siya. So, convert natin. 3 raised to 2 is equals to 2x minus 1. That is 3 squared is equals to 2x minus 1. And then, simplify natin. 3 squared is 9. Then, combine like terms. Pagsamahan natin yung dalawang constant, we have 9 and negative 1. Transpose natin yung negative 1 sa kabila. That is 9 plus 1 is equals to 2x. 9 plus 1 is 10 is equals to 2x. Then, find the value of x. Divide both sides by 2. Then 10 divided by 2 is 5. This will be x. Therefore, the value of x is 5. Example number 3, the logarithm of base 2 of x plus 1 plus the logarithm of base 2 of x minus 1 is equals to 3. Now, pwede natin gamitin dito yung product law of logarithm kasi meron tayong dalawang logarithm na inad. So, ibig sabihin, nagmula siya sa product law. That is the product of x plus 1 and x minus 1. Kasi same logarithm. So, gawin natin siya. So, that is logarithm of base 2 is the product of x plus 1 and x minus 1. Then, equals to 3. Then, pwede natin i-convert into exponential form. So, that is 2 raised to 3 is equals to x plus 1 times x minus 1. We have 2 cubed is equals to x plus 1 times x minus 1. Simplify natin. 2 cubed is 8. Then this is multiplication of binomial. That is x squared minus 1. Then, combine natin yung x at saka negative 1. Kung tatranspose natin yan sa kabila, that is magiging plus 1. That is 8 plus 1 is equals to x squared. That is 9 is equals to x squared. Then, i-transpose natin yung 9. 0 is equals to x squared minus 9. Then, i-factor natin yung x squared minus 9. That is x plus 3 times x minus 3. So, zero factor property, equate daw natin dalawang factor sa 0. So, Una, meron tayong x plus 3 is equals to 0. The possible answer is x is equals to negative 3. Then, yung pangalawang factor, x minus 3 is equals to 0. Then, possible value is positive 3. Now, tignan natin kung alin dito yung magsasatisfy sa ating number. Kasi ang unknown natin dito is number. So, dapat wala tayong negative number. So, isa-substitute natin ang negative 3. Negative 3 plus 2 is negative, negative 3 plus 1 is equals to negative 2. Therefore, magka-negative siya. Then, kung dito naman negative 3 minus 1, negative 4. So, ibig sabihin, this is not an answer. Pero, pag positive 3 ang sinabstitute natin, 3 plus 1 is positive 4. Then, 3 minus 1 is positive 2. Therefore, ito lang yung answer natin for the value of x. Then, example number 4, we have the logarithm of x squared is equals to 2. Convert natin into exponential. Alam natin na meron tong base 10. So, that is 10 raised to 2 is equals to x squared. 10 squared is equals to x squared. Simplify natin. 10 squared is 100 is equals to x squared. Then, transpose natin yung 100 sa kabila. 0 is equals to x squared minus 100. Then, i-factor natin ang x squared minus 100. That is x plus 10 times x minus 10. Then, follow the zero factor property. Equate natin yung dalawang factor sa 0. Yung una is x plus 10 is equals to 0. Possible value is x is equals to negative 10. Then, yung isa is x minus 10 is equals to 0. Possible value of x is positive 10. Then, tignan natin kung magsasatisfy yung negative 10 at positive 10 sa ating equation. So, ang number natin is x squared. So, dapat maging positive yan kasi bawal ang negative number. We don't have a logarithm for negative number. So, kung isa-substitute natin to sa x, that is negative 10 squared, the answer is positive 100. So, pwede. Then, yung 10 squared, of course, is positive 100. Meaning to say, parehas answer ang negative 10 at positive 10. Proceed tayo sa last two example. We have the logarithm of x squared. Ibig sabihin, yung buong logarithm of x ang squared. Plus 2 times the logarithm of x minus 3 is equals to 0. So, kung mapapansin nyo, para siyang quadratic equation kasi squared, then middle term, then third term. So, convert natin or i-represent natin itong logarithm of x into a muna. So, represent muna natin logarithm of x as a. Then, i-substitute natin yung a. So, pwede magiging ganito siya. A squared plus 2a minus 3 is equals to 0. Then, i-follow natin yung factoring ng quadratic equation. We have a plus 3 times a minus 1 is equals to 0. So, zero factor property, equate natin yung factor sa 0. So, we have x plus 3 is equals to 0. Possible answer is negative 3. Then, x minus 1 rather is equals to 0. Possible answer ng a is positive 1. Then, saka natin i-substitute dito para makuha yung value ng x. So, we have the logarithm of x is equals to a. So, logarithm of x is equals to negative 3. Then, convert natin into exponential. Alam natin meron pong base 10. So, that is 10 raised to negative 3 is equals to x. Raised to negative 3 is equals to x. Then, 10 raised to negative 3 is 1 over 1,000. Next, substitute naman natin yung a is equals to 1. That is logarithm of x is equals to a. Logarithm of x is equals to 1. Then, meron tayong base 10 dito. Convert natin into exponential. That is 10 raised to 1 is equals to x. Then, pangalawang value ng x is 10 positive 10. Now, substitute natin to sa original equation. Tingnan natin kung positive lang siya. Kasi, ang unknown natin is number. So, dapat positive siya. So, parehas namang positive number yung dalawang value ng x. Therefore, itong dalawang to ay value of the unknown ng example number 5. Then, example number 6, meron tayong 2 raised to x is equals to 3. So, exponential equation yan, pero pwede natin gamitin yung properties and laws of logarithm. So, kung mapapansin natin, mahirap gawa ng same base yan. So, kunin natin ang parehas na logarithm ng both sides. So, we have the logarithm of 2 raised to x is to logarithm of 3. And then, gamitan natin to ng power rule ng logarithm. So, ilipat natin yung exponent sa unahan bago mag-logarithm. So, that is x times the logarithm of 2 is equals to the logarithm of 3. Then, kailangan lang natin yung value ng x. So, divide both sides by logarithm of 2. This will be divided. Therefore, the answer here is logarithm of 3 divided by the logarithm of 2. Then, pwede tayong gumamit ng calculator. Ang logarithm of 3 divided by logarithm of 2 is approximately equivalent to 1.5850. So, round off to 4 decimal places. So, that is the final answer. So, these are the strategies or paraan para tayo makapag-solve ng logarithmic equation applying the 4 different strategy na pwedeng in different order.